pressure wash, surface clean, soft wash the dumpster area, building at a gas station, and the Canopy plus surface clean at the pumps. This is the dumpster area. We put a surface clean on this concrete right here, and then we degreased and we cleaned it very nicely. Cleaned the building right here, all concrete. We left the little bit of residue that we after spray when it's wet with the bleach and soap area. We're going to do this tomorrow, the Canopy. We got this really nice and clean, and here's the front of the building. It smells just like bleach out here. This thing's sparkly white. See how nice it came out? This concrete came out really nice. I just want to give you guys an eye for what it looks like here, so you guys know. Did a free surface cleaning at the drive-through, the A&W drive-through, and yep, came out nice. Gonna wrap all this stuff up. Concrete just looks amazing. So does the Canopy. So does the building. Thanks for watching.